Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to see about the data dictionary. First, what is data? The data is some information which is stored in our database and we can check whatever the data we need it. So, dictionary. Normally, what is dictionary? The dictionary is something that contains the whole meaning of the data. For example, if I have an own dictionary, we can have it on a, we will be having all the meanings of the words which we are searching in alphabetical order. Same will be applying here in database management. The data dictionary can be said as a component that stores the collection of names, definition and attribute for the data element used in the database. The database normally stores in the metadata that contains the all information about the database. These data elements can be part of our database or a part of research project or any information system. In database, all information stores about the relationship or a table, which we can be have in a schema or a constraints used. In the metadata, will be preserving all that schema and the constraints. And in normal, we can see that the information metadata is also referred to as an information in the database. So in the storing the database is a connection between the schema and the other database in single structure. So it is called as a data dictionary. Nothing but first the data dictionary refers to what are all we are storing. For example, we are storing the name, constraints and the data. Next, as a dictionary, we have all the data are stored in a schema and as a constraint. So combination of both, we are saying it as a data dictionary. At the data dictionary is like an A to Z dictionary of a relational database system. It stores all the information about the relationship in the database. Next is the real example of the database dictionary. It consists of two words, data. Data refers to the several sources and dictionary refers to the data available, where the data is available. For example, if I am searching for a student data in a database of a college, I should know what is the student's department and which college he belongs to, which year he belongs to, so that if I know any of these things I can search it easily. So the dictionary refers to where the data is available. The dictionary is it's an important part in a relational database, and it also provides the additional information about several tables in the database. The data dictionary, the DBMS, helps the user to manage the data orderly, and in orderly manner they can be prevent the data redundancy. What is redundancy? It is something we are avoiding for having a duplicate data by using normalization methods. And here they have given an example how the dictionary will be containing the tables of an employee detail. Here we have nearly 5 attributes, that is field name, data type, field size for the display, description and the example. For example, the employee ID is a field name and its data type should be in an integer, and the field size for display is 8. What its employee ID describes? It describes the roll number or an employee ID of the particular employee, which will be unique one, and it will be accessing as a primary key. For example, their employee ID may be 1225. Next, their full name. Their full name is data type is a text where it contains the size of displaying 30, and the full name of the employee will be displayed. For example, Emily Johnson's. The next what we are going to see is about the advantage of the data dictionary. The advantage of a data dictionary is very little information will be have in a data model. So the data dictionary will be having a right knowledge of what the entity they are using, what the relationship and the attribute exist in the data model. The data dictionary, it provides the consistency by reducing the data redundancy in a data collection and use different team members. That is, it has a consistency by reducing the data redundancy, that is the duplicate data and in a data collection, and and it will be used in a different team members, so it will be easy for the team members to access the data. And third one is it provides the structural analysis, and it implements the data standards, so it will be easy for us to have a data. And next one is it consists of set of rules, and they have a collection, recording, and a presentation of a data. Next, the last point is use of a data dictionary defines the name conversion using this model. Hope you understand this session. Thank you.